My name is Lisa, and I found KCPP by a psychologist that I had started seeing once I moved here 4 years ago. I struggle with many conditions that led me here to seek ketamine treatment: anxiety, depression, and ADD. In the past, I've tried so many different medications. Some would do harm and make me feel sick and have side effects. Some just didn't work at all. I'd never heard about ketamine. Didn't know much about it, but after speaking with Dr. Handoo, I realized that this really might be for me. So I was hopeful to try it and excited to get my life back. Ketamine has had an enormous impact on my life. It has not only helped me, but it's helped with my children, my family, being a better person, being able to enjoy life again, not struggling with anxiety and wanting to stay in bed all day, being there for my kids and their soccer and extracurricular activities. I was also part of team management of the soccer team, so it's really opened me up to be more social, to make friends. It's just been such a turnaround based on what I felt before. When you start the treatment, there are 6 weeks of one treatment per week, and I had my first treatment, and the next day I thought, things are a little bit different. They're a little bit brighter. I feel a little bit different. But then I thought to myself, well, maybe this is a placebo effect. Maybe I'm just thinking that I feel better, which that's good too. But I think it was my second one that I felt alive again. I really felt like myself again, which I had not felt like myself in a very long time. I had previously lost my husband after we moved here from the East Coast. I have 2 special needs kids, and I've since lost my brother. And it's been a very difficult few years, and if it weren't for ketamine, I know that I would not be the mom or the person or the companion that I would be without it. It's really hard to explain what the infusions feel like. I think it's different for everyone, but for me it's been positive. During the infusions, I watch a video that's made for ketamine treatment patients. And some people say that they have an out-of-body experience. I don't have an out-of-body experience, but I do have an experience when I feel like that I am within these videos. I'm feeling the music, I feel the nature, I see the beauty of the sun, I see all of these wonderful things, and I feel like that I'm actually there. And this brings up a lot of emotion for me. Great memories. It brings up really great memories with my late husband and things that we did in the past, as well as my brother. And it just uplifts me. During the ketamine treatment, I've actually had tears rolling down my face, and they weren't sad tears, they were happy tears. And it was very shocking to have that happen, but that's what it feels like for me. When I first reached out to Dr. Handoo, his team was absolutely amazing. They make you feel so comfortable, so that wasn't an issue. I was nervous, reaching out to a new doctor when you haven't ever seen that doctor and you've been working with other doctors on the East Coast for 4 years. He went through the list of medications that I've tried. He's gone through, my history, different things that have happened, how I reacted, what medications I reacted to. And he did put me on other medications to trial. And he felt after a few months that ketamine was probably going to be the best treatment for me. So my experience with the staff and Dr. Handoo is nothing but wonderful. I mean, they're great people at heart. He cares, they all care. Working with Elizabeth has always been great. She makes me not nervous, and she lets me laugh, and she listens to me vent either before or after. Dr. Handoo always checks in. I feel like he and I have become not just physician and patient. There's more of a connection there because he really listens and he really cares, and he truly tries to help so many people. That's what he does. He gives his entire energy focusing on helping people with mental health issues. This is something that will help you. I can almost guarantee it.